Hi, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Today we're focusing on simple Christmas earrings. It's a very busy time of year, so let's keep those earrings simple so you can make lots. First of all, this pair of earrings is a pair of Father Time earrings. Everybody's watching the hours go by as we get closer to Christmas. We're going to start off with this great little watch charm, some tiny little crystal chatons in red and green, a jump ring, and an ear wire. How easy can this be? And of course, you can mix and match any of these findings with whatever your favorite finding is, from your crystal chatons to your ear wires to your jump rings. What works for you is what's important. First stop, and probably the hardest thing, is to add the chatons to your finding. And I'm going to use DevCon 5-minute epoxy. This is a two-part epoxy, so you have to have both sides of it in order to make it work. I'm just going to squeeze out just a tiny little bit because it doesn't take much for those little chatons. A tiny bit of each half of that epoxy. And it's designed so it's really easy to work. Now these two little blobs of epoxy, I'm just going to mix those together. It's really hard to see because there's not very much. I'm going to mix those together with my toothpick. Like I say, it does not take much. And I probably mix this for at least 30 seconds to make sure every molecule of A meets every molecule of B and all that nonsense. And you can notice it's got a bit of an odor. You want to do this in a well-ventilated place. And then with this tiny bit of glue that I've got mixed up, I use my toothpick. I have 5 minutes to work, so I can't dawdle. Put a tiny bit in each one of these little holes. Doesn't take much. We don't want it gooping all over. There we go. A tiny bit in each one of those holes. And then using one of my favorite tools, the crystal katana, I'm going to pick up the chatons and drop them into the holes. Let's see. I had red on top there, so I better put red on top here too. So I'll put green on this side, green on that side, a red, and a red. Isn't that a handy tool? And the other end is specifically designed so you can just give that a little tap and make sure that they're set in there well. They're not going to come loose. And literally 5 minutes from now you can wear these earrings because that's how fast that 5-minute epoxy works. We'll pretend 5 minutes has already gone by and show you how to finish this earring with a jump ring. Always make sure you open your jump rings by twisting. An ear wire. Go through your finding, through your charm, through the ear wire, and close it up. I'm being a little gentle because I know that glue isn't perfectly set yet. And there you have it, a pair of crystal Christmas earrings in that quick amount of time. Think how many you can make for your family and friends or for your Christmas bazaar. Thank you for joining me at the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. My name is Rose. Happy holidays and happy beading.